everyone, welcome back to DJ Boutique. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an adorable mini flower headband inspired by Puppy from Trolls. This is extra special because we prepared it especially for someone from our TikTok community. So if you're watching, a big hello to you. For this tutorial, we will need 9 pieces of 2.5 cm wide ribbon, 9 pieces of 1 cm wide ribbon, and 3 round felt fabric, and we have elastic headband. I'm using a 45 cm long elastic headband. That's just the right size for a 1-year-old. I've added a size guide in the description, so feel free to check it out for other age options. To start off, we're going to heat seal the ends of the ribbon to prevent fraying. Now I will show you how to shape this ribbon into a petal. Let's grab our needle and thread. We will start sewing. With the 3 mini flowers complete, we can now start making the leaves. We'll be using hot glue for this part, so make sure your glue gun is heated and ready to go. Now we're ready to put everything together and assemble our puppy headband. In this tutorial, I'm using an elastic headband, but you can use a plastic one too. If you check out our TikTok video, that version uses a plastic headband and has 7 flower sets. I'm only showing you 3 sets here, but you can always add more. We'll join the ends of the elastic together. Next, we will attach our round felt fabric. Next, we'll begin attaching the leaves and flowers. We will start in the middle. Time to add the centerpiece. I'm using a clear rhinestone with a 6 mm diameter, but feel free to use whatever you like best. It's finished! I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out my other tutorials for more ideas. See you next time!